Here we introduce the control panel. Firstly, when you open the power, so you can see this page and put the English. You can see this the operation page. And operation page you can see on the top is the product counting. So how many bottles you labeling, you counting automatic. And this is the output setting. So every return hour you can set the number here, and this to clear the product counting. And the reset is to reset something is not normal. And then is the automatic function selection. We put the automatic model. So now we show is the auto function selection. It close here and it close, and then you can put here the part module. So means you can choose this button for the part module. So here I will show you the single labeling means put this place means here the label will go out one piece, and drop means when you put here, so the labeling also will come out until you stop push this button. Conveyor motors means to check this motor, conveyor motor it's one or not. And this is a carriage motor means this carriage motor. And then this the separate motor means the motor for control the feeding wheel. And this is the press cylinder. This is the press cylinder. So each button have the function to control each motor or sculpture. And then here is the parameters. This is the parameters. This is the number for one. For example, you have two bottles, you can set two parameters, but now only one parameter, so just one. So this is the labeling speed. Now the parameter we already freeze, so no need to change. And just make sure we explaining to you the function for this. The labeling speed means the label out speed, and the carriage speed is the blue roller speed. Compressor delay means this compressor roller to delay to close to the big blue roller. Compression time means when the compression roller to keep closing and the time to put here. And this is on compression delays. It means when the blue roller here when we go to this place and how long we get back on this position. And here is the labeling delay. Labeling delay seconds. It means to delay the label out. And the labeling stop delayed. So means the time. And this the sensor. And this is the label interruler. So this is the parameters. And we back here. This is the monitor. This is to checking the input signal and output signal is good or not, or have any question we can check here.